I just always go back. I said like bell hooks, and she explained it so beautifully when she wrote that education as a practice of freedom affirms healthy self-esteem, and it promotes students' capacity to be aware and live consciously. And to me, that perfectly encapsulates liberatory learning, giving students the ability to reflect and make the personal connections and meaning from their learning. It's about agency and students having control in what they learn and the ways in which they model and consolidate that learning. It's life affirming, it's humanizing, it's without hierarchies. There is no, teacher at the top, student at the bottom. It's intrinsically compassionate to self and others. It's about grace for the learners in our room together and the people around us. And to me, it's never been about a singular piece of knowledge that I'm trying to teach students. It's about their learning and their ways of knowing as a process. So when I think about liberatory practices or liberatory learning, my hope with my students is that they always can recognize and tap into their own brilliance and their own embodied knowledge, and that they use the importance of collective care as a guiding force in their own lives as they grow and they learn and they flourish.